With this little recording trick, you can pause video while you're recording and just unpause it to start recording again. To make this work, you have to have iOS 18 or later. To check which version of iOS you have, open the settings, go to General, tap on About, and it shows your software version right here. If you're less than iOS 18 but there's updates available, you can check that on the Software Update tab, and hopefully your phone is able to update to a version past iOS 18 so you can take advantage of this feature. Any updates that are available will show up here. So to pause and restart recording, let's open the camera app. Make sure we're on the video tab. And then, let me just lift this up a little bit so we can see something. We can record. There's my hand right there. There's a little pause button right there. We can pause that. And now it shows here as paused. We've recorded for 5 seconds. If I tap on this again, it's going to restart. The time's going up again. The pause notification's gone. If we want to stop the video, just tap on this square right here, the red square. If we are paused and we tap this red square, that's going to stop the video as well. So you got to be mindful of that. So let's just tap there and stop it. So that's pretty neat. You can pause video for sections of whatever you're recording that you know aren't too exciting. You don't want to keep that video footage, and just unpause it. You can also start a video and stop a video. Everybody knows that. But you can start a video by holding and long pressing the record button. If you see the time going up there as we record, and as soon as I let go, the video will stop recording. So if you have something where you want to be very precise when you start and stop, that is a better way than lifting your finger and tapping it again later, because as soon as your finger leaves, it shuts off the recording. If you find that your iPhone's been a little slow lately, this video right here is going to help you find and fix any viruses or malware that are on your phone, which could be a potential reason your phone's slowing down. So check out that video. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.